first tip is don't buy very expensive eyelashes because you don't want to ruin them, and you don't want to make like in case you mess up, you won't be like, damn, I just spent $10 or $20 or $12 of eyelashes. So I used to just first start with this little kit right here. I think I bought this like in the Swamis and stuff like that. Or you don't mind buying really good and expensive, but I have cheap ones at Walmart. These are at Walmart. These are the kids ones. These are really, really good. I just found out about them, and it's like, I'm like, oh my god, these are so good. It's so cheap, and they're so natural look. I mean, plus it has the little tweezers, so you don't really have to buy or use or buy another tweezers like I do. But this is really good because they also have 5 pairs. They have 4 plus 1 more free. It's pretty awesome. You could reuse them again. This one, it does this 100% human hair. Like I said, I really like them because they're lightweight and reusable, so I could wash them again and like reuse them, and nothing happens to them. I will show you guys how to apply to them. I am not professional. I just like doing them, and I learned by my own experience how to apply eyelashes. So if I'm doing it wrong, then my bad, but a lot of people does it different. A lot of people do it the same way, but I learned it just the way I do. I learned it by my experience, by practicing over and over and over. I'm not saying you're gonna learn by one day in another. Some people will. I didn't, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how to apply these. If you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows at home, I will link the little icon around here, and I did make a video out of it. It's really cheap, it's really simple, it's the technique I usually do, and I always have learned it. So like all these type of things, I am not professional. I don't have a license for this, but I learned by my experience, and I always learn, you know, by YouTube and other beauty groups. So if you guys want to learn how to do this little trick, then keep on watching. First, you're gonna need obvious eyelashes, mascara, and I will tell you guys why. Some tweezers or the tweezers from the back, but I would rather just use these. You're going to be using glue. This is the best glue ever, and it's really nice. It's really good. I have wearing this since I bought it. It have lasted me for a long time, and it's really good. It does make your eyelashes stick there for a long time. It's just like really amazing, and this is my new #1 glue. If you're really looking for a glue that's really cheap, I recommend you this one. This is like $8 or $9, which is pretty cheap because it's worth it. And oh, and also the eyelashes are, I think they were $4.99, $3.99, I'm not sure, but all this, I bought this at Walmart. And if you guys want to know, I'll link the stuff in the bottom of the description box so you guys could know, or purchase it online, or just go out the stores and find out. There are more styles, but I rather go to natural because I mostly wear natural stuff. Yeah, and it's also clear. There's also black ones, but I rather go with clear. I prefer, or if you're a beginner, I suggest you to get the clear one, because the black one, it does kind of stink and it takes a while to take it off, or sometimes it turns gray and sometimes it does shows off. But I recommend you a clear one because you mess up, nobody even knows that you mess it up. You're gonna need an eyelash curler and an eyeliner, either one, a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner, either one. And of course, you're going to be needing some scissors or esas cosas para la corta uñas, because you know I don't have time to be looking for my little scissors, but I mostly use this ones because I have more control of it. I need a mirror. Any kind of mirror, doesn't really matter, but I prefer a closer mirror just because I want to know closer to my eye. So before you start taking it off from the box, make sure you don't pull it out from the box, which it means pulling it out by pulling it with your finger. Always try with some tweezers. I always try with the tweezers. So first what I do is grab the corner of the eyelash and pull it down slowly, and it should come out really easy like that. So a little quick tip is that sometimes you will have the eyelash a little bit more like straight, like right here. So what I do here is that I grab my whatever it is, your eyeliner or pencil, I hold it and press it right in the middle and just leave it right there. And the reason why I put it there is so I could be able, the eyelash will be able to curl down like a little U instead of straight. Or sometimes what other people do is grab their eyelash and just start to fold it in little half, just like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just like this. You see how curled it looks now? We're gonna use the eyelash now that it's curled and a little bit more like bended. We're going to be using some scissors or some nail cutters, and pretty much what I'm going to do is, before you even cut them, make sure to measure it on your eye. So what I mean is that you're gonna put it on, so like I said, the little tiny little feathers are gonna be right in the beginning of your eye, and the long side of the feathers or eyelashes will be at the end. Okay, just like that. As you could see, my eyelash looks, at the end it looks really long. It does look pretty, but to be honest with you, when you wear them, your eyes literally gonna look like smaller, and you don't want that. You want your eyes to look more open and more wide and cute. So I'm going to cut it and just measure it on the edge. Don't ever cut from the on the beginning of the hair, because you will mess it up and you'll mess up the shape. So always cut it from the end of it. So what I usually do, because mine's like old, I already know how the size is, so I would just cut it my eye and just measure it. Like that. Next, I'm going to be using my eye curler and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. So after I'm done curling my eyelashes, I'm going to be using a mascara and apply it to my eyelashes. I'm not gonna put so much because I don't want it to make it so thick where I want to put the eyelash with my eyes. It's gonna look so weird and khaki. Wait until my eyelash and the mascara gets dry in there so I could be able to apply it. Don't ever apply it when your mascara is so fresh in your eye, because it will smear up and it's not, the glue, it's not really gonna be there. It's just gonna make it look weird. So just wait until it dries up. So now that my eye is completely dry, I took advantage of doing the other one. So now that it's like completely my eyelash with my mascara, it's already dry, I'm going to be using the glue, the strips right here in the top. You don't want to glue it right inside because it's gonna get stuck really flat, and you don't want to have it flat. You want to have it very, you know, volume. So make sure you glue it right on the tip, which is right here. And you don't have to put so much. All you're gonna do is just do this little top right here, from the corner to the end. And if you need more, then just apply a little bit more. I like to put a little bit more on the edges because my eye is little and sometimes it just won't get stuck in there. Let it dry for 30 seconds, or sometimes people sing the song ABC. You don't want the glue to still be there when it's still dry, because when you wear it, it's gonna be moving everywhere, and all you're gonna do is just smear the whole glue, and when you have it perfectly there, it's not even gonna stick there. So now when I know it's really sticky, what I'm gonna do is I use my tweezers and grab it right in the corner. So now we're going to be applying it right, going upwards. You don't want to just apply straight because your eye will look so going down. Going to definitely just right in the end and just put it on the top. And then with my fingers, I like to pull it a little bit, stick it there, grab the other side of the corner, pull it, and stick it there. So I'm just gonna squeeze it. With the mascara will get stuck there. Just like that. Think you need a little bit more volume, then go with your mascara and just apply just a little bit. And just go back again and squeeze it to have it together with your eyelash and your fake eyelashes. When I'm done, sometimes you're gonna feel like little white stripes here in the corner. It's like really light and you could kind of see it. The trick is use an eyeliner. If you guys want to know how I apply or how to make a wing, I have a video out of that, and I made one of those, so I will also be linking it down in the little icon, and just check it out and see. Alright my buddies, so this is pretty much how to apply my fake eyelashes. It's pretty simple. Like I said, it takes time, it takes a lot of practice. In the first time you're not gonna get it right away, but taking practice will make it perfect. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video, or I hope this video it's helpful for you. I know it's not gonna be easy for some of you guys. It wasn't easy for me, but you know, like I said, practice makes it perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and be part of the beauty family. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.